excited for the Silhouette Cameo 5. This is the newer version. My first machine ever was actually the Silhouette Cameo 4. And this happened only maybe 4 years ago, within 4 years ago. And before that, I have never ever used a cutting machine before. So it was actually quite a intimidating experience because I'm really not a tech person, which is funny that this has now completely changed my whole life, changed my whole business. And now I make templates, and that's my biggest part of my business. And the best part really is to make the little flowers that I can't humanly cut. And now I can have a machine cut it for me. The biggest game changer for this is going to be the electrostatic mat that I'm going to be getting as well. And that means there's no more sticky mats, and I can just directly put it on this like static bed, I guess, and it'll just feed to the machine. And I'm really confused how it's going to work, but it's really exciting, and I'm going to be doing a whole review while I'm unboxing and showing you some of my first cuts. Wow, that was so amazing. The electrostatic mat is seriously a game changer, especially if you're going to make those little intricate things and then you have to sit there and scrape it if it was on a sticky mat. But with the electrostatic mat, like, it just literally comes off. I can't believe it. That's so exciting. I'm actually going to be prepping for my Valentine's Day workshop. It's actually a sold out class. So I have a lot of paper to sort out, and I'm actually going to probably make some little tags that I usually make for my workshops with the new silhouette. And yeah, my Valentine's Day workshop will be this Saturday, and it's the first workshop of this year. Today is my Valentine's Day workshop and I am in all pink today. This is my outfit. I will be linking whatever I can below. It is a little chilly today, so I'll be wearing a coat here. I've had this shoulder bag sitting in my closet for over 15 years and it's finally out. Actually, it's my first time carrying it as an adult and I'm not really used to shoulder bags. So this is finally out in the world. This is my outfit.
Trying to feel anything, but then I see over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Is this what it looks like, honey?